Hi everyone, welcome to the next video in our lost items series. I'm getting a little bit tired. You'll have to bear with me. I have done quite a few videos today. This is going to be my last one, but I just wanted to get this row finished. This is the last row of this little mini bit. What I do is when I've done 10, I'm going to start with 76 and do a sort of leathery piece on the bottom. When I've done 10, I make a mini compilation video for my channel members, and that goes out on the first day of that set. So for this set of 10, the radio would be the first one, and on the day everyone gets the radio, the members get the compilation, which has all of these 10 pictures. So they get an early access effectively. So that's how I do it. So I just wanted to get this one done, and then I can do the compilation video and all the videos. And also it's Friday when I'm recording this, and it'd be nice to get it all done for the weekend. So I'm trying to leave a light bit in the middle here. I'm thinking that might be a little leathery part as well. But this checkered pattern we're going to do quite brightly, I think. I was thinking sort of either blue and green or red and green. I think blue and green will be better actually. I'm going to start with 35, I think, which is rather pretty turquoise colour. Now I'm not sure I'm going to make it tartany, you'll see. So I'm going to use the turquoise on every other column, and then we're going to put other colours on top. Hopefully it'll work. We'll see. So turquoise all the way along. Now inside the bag I thought I might use either one of these colours or use a different colour like it's a lining. I haven't quite decided yet. So it depends how colourful it looks when it's done, how mishmashy and bright, or whether it works. I've got such faith in myself. Okay, that's the turquoise. I'm actually going to use the ultramarine blue, which is the 37 for the other stripe. Okay. It's similar-ish. I don't know whether it's a bit too close, but I don't want it to be too far away colour-wise. I need them to sort of work together. So hopefully it'll be okay. We'll see how it pans out, because once we've done this, we're going to do some across stripes as well, so it looks a bit like a tartan. And I'm just hoping it's going to work. You'll know. You look at the thumbnail of the video, you'll see. Skip to the end. No, don't skip to the end, watch it all. YouTube likes it better if you watch the whole video. Especially the adverts. I don't get paid if you don't watch the adverts. Right, I'm going to use number 38, which is sea green, and I'm going to do the across stripe. Now I want to do it dark enough so you can see that it's there, but not so dark that you can't see the difference between the two squares underneath. I think I'm getting that. Now we could not go over the other one, so every other one we could just leave as it is and not put a colour on top, which I may do. I'm just having a look. It's a bit messy under there. I'm just trying to work out. I think that's the turquoise. Just needs tidying up a bit there. There we go. And also we've got a little white gap here. Just gonna fill in. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm going to do the inside a different colour though, as I thought I might. But what? I hear you cry. I've got no idea, I reply. What do you think? What shall I do? I had thought red originally, but now I'm thinking no. I think maybe either a blue or a green might just make more sense. So this is indecisive. Yeah, I'm going to try number 55. This is the green earth. It's quite a different tone, and I'm going to put it down quite lightly because I'm not sure that it'll work on its own. But I think if we pop it in, and we might want to mix it with one of the other colours we've already used to sort of bring the tone closer. But it's darker, which is what I want. I'm going to mix it with number 38, our sea green. And I think it will work. Let's have a look. Yeah. I've also got to decide on the handle colour. I wonder whether to do it brown like the leather. I think that might make more sense. I think the 77 might have been a better choice for the brown because it's a bit more grey and less warm, but too late now. So I'm going to try and fade it towards the top, but I definitely want colour there. Just a bit less, it's a bit narrow. There we go. So now we just need the label, and I'm thinking if I go for 37, our ultramarine blue, and do it really lightly, I think that will just work. So I'm just going to go slowly so that it doesn't go too dark. Like that. There we are. Yeah, I think it's quite a nice looking bag. I don't think I would use it. My shopping bags are all flowery. It looks a bit heavy as well for shopping. Leather. I think my aunt used to have a leather shopping bag. It was a bright red one actually, and it was very sturdy, great for tins and vegetables and things like that. But my goodness, was it heavy. Oof. And the bag was heavy before it even had stuff in it. I don't know how she did it. It's just amazing. Anyways, that is me done for today. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a really lovely day, and yeah, happy colouring.